trying to create off the dribble.
Wade putting the move on Davis. There is Wade. Yes! With 1.3 to go in the fourth quarter. The rookie Dwayne Wade has given Miami a 2-point lead. The Hornets take a timeout. It's a 20-second timeout. And for New Orleans, their final timeout.
Remember, with a 20-second timeout, you can advance the ball up to the half-court line.
And now not only maybe making the playoffs will be a factor. Look out, Ademeyer on the pick and roll, blocked by Wade. This is good if it goes. Yes! Oh! He did it again! That is one heck of a quarter. I mean, that is a great quarter. They have to check into the replay to make sure it was out of his hands before the lights come on.
Wade finding an open area inside, drives hard, draws the foul. Oh! Wow. Wade puts it in!
Wow. What a great shot. And you could see the defender step right underneath him. So it is a terrific move. Now watch how he splits the seam in the zone. All right, and then he comes right up there saying moving underneath on the shot. And then the finish. How about the finish?
Picked up by Wade, who's got 5 points. Into Marshall. Oh! What a shot! Spectacular play by Dwayne Wade.
Won every game now. It's amazing. He had one the other night in Los Angeles.
Catino Mobley with 8 points. The Clippers take a 2-point lead. And Wade with a monster flush right down Chris Kaman.
Not a good matchup right here for the Heat.
Wade with a steal with 2. Wade puts it up for the win. Yeah, baby!
He did it! He did it! Dwayne Wade with the steal and the game winner!
Do you believe that?
One of the great moments, one of the great plays made by one of the game's greatest players.
He was looking for contact from Jermaine O'Neal, got a piece of it. Wade, a facial! Yes, and a foul! Wade going right at Anderson Varejao.
And Dwayne Wade right at the body of Anderson Varejao. Welcome to your Kodak moment, Anderson Varejao.
For 2 dunks for Durant.
Oh, Wade, what a play!
Wow.
Oh, wow! I need to see that again because I don't believe what he did.
Wow, watch the extension of the body. How about that? Now that's over a shot block. That was just a great move. The building was standing and in true appreciation.
One of the best in the league at finishing.
Here we go, gang. Wade with 4, with 3, leans in, and hits!
Oh, it looked like he got fouled as well. No call. 1/10 of a second on the clock, baby. All they can do, Indiana, is tap it in now. They can't shoot a jump shot.
What a play by Dwayne Wade. Off balance, but on target. On the money for a money player.
Hey, LeBron James got the team here. D-Wade buries the J that could give them the winner.
7 straight points for Miami as they try to extend their home winning streak to 12 in a row. Nets. Haslem with a steal on the Gerald Wallace pass. Well, Heat defense. Only tapped by that. Dwayne Wade with a dramatic flush on a perfect lob.
From Ray Allen. Perfect pass from Ray Allen.
A season high 30 points for Wade.
The shooting percentage down in the second. Wade looking for the return to LeBron. Off the window and down. And down the floor, Dwayne Wade with LeBron there. The alley-oop off the glass with the left-hand jam. Oh, LeBron from Wade off the window.
20-second timeout left.
Here comes Wade around the white side screen. The tough jumper. Yes! Dwayne Wade! You are a giant!
Oh, man.
30 points for Wade. 13 in the fourth quarter.
Josh has been erratic. Wade trying to get on the books.
Wade, boy, again, vintage Dwayne Wade there.
Sending Galloway.